My name is Marc Blythe. I'm the President and CEO of Tarsis Resources. We trade on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the symbol TCC, and our website is www.tarsis.ca. We've got two really important properties in Mexico. One is under option to Osisko Mining Corp right now, and they're getting ready to do some drilling down there before the end of the year. And we have another property, the Yago property, which we just acquired this year and have been working on pretty hard in terms of data compilation and some field work on the ground. It's a gold-silver property. We're really excited about it. We just put out some fantastic news on it in the last month, and we're looking forward to getting that optioned out as per our business model and having another company spending their money on that project to push it forward. Well, we follow the prospect generator business model, which means we keep our administrative expenses low and we go and do early stage exploration, which tends to be cheaper. So we operate cheaply. We get a lot of leverage on these projects because other people are then pushing them forward using their shareholders' money. We end up free carried essentially with a minority interest in the project, and if one of these projects turns into a mine, which we hope it will, there's a big payday down the track in terms of a capital gain for our shareholders. Finding a mine is a tough thing to do. It's a numbers game. The odds of success are generally quite low, so it helps to spread that risk across multiple projects, which we do, and have a number of different option agreements in place so other people are spending their money to push those projects forward. We've got one project optioned by Osisko Mining Corp. They're a mid-tier producer from Montreal, and they're getting ready to drill on our Erica property. It's in southern Mexico in Guerrero State. It's near a number of other producers, Goldcorp in particular, and Torex is progressing a pretty big gold story there. They've got over 6 million ounces in resources there on their project. We're adjoining those properties, and Osisko is getting ready to drill our properties. That's obviously something we're watching very closely. We also have two other projects that we're marketing at the moment. One is in Nevada. It's a Carlin-style gold system on the Carlin Trend, and also this Yago property in western Mexico between Mazatlan and Puerto Vallarta that I mentioned before. It's a gold-silver property. It's high grade, and we think that a lot of the mining companies that have money right now are looking for higher grade targets, and that's what this is. So we're hopeful we can find a partner for that property sometime in the next 2 quarters. Well, I think if you look at the people that make money year over year in the markets, those are the wise people that you want to follow with your investments. Generally what they say is buy low and sell high, which is tough to do, but I think if you look at the markets, I don't think things are going to get too much lower than where they are now. So really people ought to be looking at which companies they want to invest in now, and I'd recommend people look at the teams of people that are running companies they're looking at investing in. Look at the quality of the team, what have they done in the past, what successes have they had, and also have a look at whether they're buying their own stock in their own companies. Do they believe their own story? That's a really critical thing that you can do cheaply, or for free basically. You can look up insider buying in a particular company and see if the insiders are buying or not.